Hello, this is Dennis, and you're on the Den Electro channel. Today, there will be a short video in which I will show you how to make a simple flashing light bulb circuit. For this, I will use an ordinary Chinese quartz watch. The clock, of course, will not be completely needed, but only a mechanism that sets the hands in motion is needed. First, you need to open the case, and then pull out everything superfluous. Then there will be a coil, a board, and clips for the battery. We also take these things out. Next, the coil must be out-soldered, and to those places where she joined to solder new wires. A regular battery of 1.5 volts is no longer suitable here, therefore I will use a 4-volt lithium-ion battery. It is connected in the same way as a battery, with polarity plus and minus. When everything is soldered and power is applied, you can connect a 5mm white LED. The LED starts flashing immediately. The flashes repeat every 2 seconds. It doesn't matter which legs and which wires you solder the LED to. Whenever connected, it will always flash. The circuit can be made more interesting by adding a second LED. Now, they flash alternately with an interval of 1 second. Note, in order for the LEDs to burn not simultaneously, but in turn, they must be soldered in opposite parallel. But that is not all. If you want to make a really cool scheme with flashing lights, then you can add another LED. Look, there are 2 contacts on the board. When closed, the clock alarm is turned on. A jumper must be placed on these contacts so that they are permanently closed. And the buzzer is no longer needed. It must be removed. And this is what happens if you solder an LED instead of a buzzer. It will also blink. Here, the LED is placed above, observing the polarity. Otherwise, it won't work. Pay attention to how the LEDs are flashing. The one connected to the buzzer makes 4 quick pulses. And then, in turn, the side LEDs light up. When used at night, very cool special effects are created. Thus, using just a few electronic parts, you can make such an interesting homemade product. The circuit does not have to be powered by a lithium-ion battery. You can use 2 batteries, 1 and 2 volts. Just connect them in series. Such a scheme will no longer pull 5mm LEDs, but for the use of 3mm LEDs, it will be just right. That's all for today. Give this video a like. Click on the bell so you don't miss new videos. Subscribe to my channel. And bye everyone!